I feel like I'm antagonizing it too. Oh, you get that? Oh. Ew. Oh, so creepy. I feel like I'm antagonizing it to like just spaz out. It's really kind of subtle right now, but...
Whoa, big one.
Such an alien.
It thinks it's playing a game with you.
It is playing a game with me. So weird. Oh, here comes a big one. I can feel it gearing up. Oh my god. That is so bizarre. That is so weird.